Mabuhay! Welcome to the Kate Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, under the name of Yari Huya.
Okay sir, let me check your reservation hour list. Please wait for a while. Okay sir, let me show you your reserved table. Please come. Sir, are you comfortable?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes.
Sir, do you want water?
Yes.
Do you prefer cold or warm water?
Cold water.
Okay sir. This way. Sir, can I pour your water?
Yes.
This is your water.
See you.
Please wait sir. I'll be back with our menu.
Okay.
Here's our menu sir.
Lime juice, devil egg, corn soup, vegetable salad, roasted beef, and chocolate cake.
Okay, can I repeat your order sir? Lime juice, devil egg, corn soup, vegetable salad, roasted beef, and chocolate cake sir. Thank you. Here's your our lime juice sir.
Just take.
Here's your our soup sir.
Just cut na.
Are you ready to vegetable salad sir? May I clear your plate?
Yes.
Here's your salad sir. Are you ready for the main course sir?
Yes.
Can I clear your plate?
Yes. Ano na?
Here's your roasted beef sir. Are you ready for the dessert sir?
Yes.
May I clear your plate? Here's your cake sir. Here's the receipt sir. The total bill is 3,366. Okay sir, I received 3,366 sir. Here your receipt sir. Thank you for dining with us. Soon come again.